Oh, luckily went through the cable. Sticker. Unboxing. There's a scroll wheel, brass, and cable. This one. Okay, install this in the car. Ito maliit, ito malaki. Ito yung dapat ipadaan. So after na-install na natin, ito na yung display niya. So meron siyang coolant tsaka voltage. Tapos next, voltage, liters per. Dami. So coolant. Yan yung importante dito, voltage and coolant, kasi hindi yan makigauge dito sa default na ano niya, dashboard. So ito lang. Then marami rin siyang display. Yan, speed up test, then brake test, then status, loop, engine load, coolant temperature. Tapos yan, pwede rin speed siya, auto clock, timing, display, ECT. So yan, ito pwede rin speed. So marami siya. So yan, another is speed, voltage, yan. Ito speed lang, pero ito yung pinakagusto ko kasi may speed, tacho, trip time, tsaka distance na scene start. So simple lang na ganyan. Okay, so for further testing,